The 3 most wanted hackers in the world. Number 3. Evgeny Bogachev, the leader of a cybercrime gang that stole over $100 million from bank accounts using the Game Over Zeus malware. He is also accused of spreading the CryptoLocker ransomware that encrypted victims' files and demanded payment for decryption. The FBI is offering a reward of up to $3 million for information leading to his arrest. Number 2. Park Jin-hyuk, a member of the Lazarus Group, a hacking team linked to the North Korean government. He is allegedly responsible for the 2014 Sony Pictures hack, the 2016 Bangladesh bank heist, and the 2017 WannaCry global ransomware attack. The U.S. Department of Justice has charged him with conspiracy to commit computer fraud and abuse, wire fraud, and bank fraud. Before revealing the number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1. Alexei Balan, a notorious cyber